Mona. I'm from Uttarakhand. Currently, I'm pursuing multimedia from LPU. This is supposed to be an introduction video, so I'm just going to tell you about what I like and what I don't. So, first thing I want to tell is that I am a very sporty girl, so I like to play sports, and I'm a great swimmer, so I like to swim too. And what I don't like is being lazy and lying around. I like to learn a lot of new things and be creative and to, think and see things from a different perspective. This is what I like. And as for my state, I belong from Uttarakhand, which is also known as Devbhoomi, and it's mainly famous for its imprivileged pilgrimage scarred for like Yamunotri, Gangotri, Badrinath, and Kedarnath. And it is also a place, a land of peace and yoga and spirituality. So, yeah, I belong from a very spiritual place, you can say, and one of the most beautiful states in India, filled with nature and mountains and everything. And as for my academic profile, as I said before, I'm a multimedia student pursuing from LPU, and I'm a fresher, so I haven't participated in much of the events yet, but I have joined dance club, and recently I have joined One India, which is one of the biggest culture event of our university. So the practice will start from today, and let's see how it goes on and everything. If it goes better, I'll update you about everything. But as for my high school achievements, I was the head girl of my school and I was a sports captain too. I was into sports. I won a lot of medals and certificates. I am a dancer too and I was a lead dancer in my group. So, and I have done many things, but what I like the most is dancing and swimming and playing sports. And there are like achievements I have come through in these fields. So, yeah, these are the achievements I have got into high school. Why I chose multimedia, or you can say graphics, is because I was really into drawings and I was really into abstract drawings. But that time I knew nothing about graphics and everything. That time I just wanted to do something like related to sports or something. But then I got to know, I got familiar with graphic designing, and I thought that maybe I can use my skills of abstract drawing into putting like making up designs and like creating a lot of fun stuff. That is why I chose graphics. And now, since I chose it, I don't regret it. Actually, I'm quite loving it since I don't know nothing about graphics. To be honest, I know nothing about graphics. This is like the first time I ever, like, put my hands with the tools and everything. But actually, it's quite fun and I'm enjoying what I'm doing. It's a little tough because the tools and apps and all the applications are new to me, but I'm getting the hang of it.